Now the reason I built these strawberry cages was to protect my strawberries from the birds and the squirrels. And these small strawberry cages which I built are ideal for potted strawberry plants on your patio because they don't take up much room and they're lightweight, so you can easily lift them up to gain access to your strawberries. But if you're interested in making a larger strawberry cage, you can always check out my other strawberry cage video on my channel. Here's a small clip from it. And you can see here how persistent squirrels are in trying to get to your strawberries. Both squirrels and birds will take many of your strawberries if they're not protected, so it's a really good idea to make or buy a strawberry cage. So without further ado, let me show you how I built these. So after measuring up the size of strawberry cage that I needed for my strawberry plants, I then visited my local timber merchant and bought several 1.5 metre lengths of softwood. And then I cut it to size to form a base which was going to be 29 inches square. And to do that, I needed to make two of the lengths of wood slightly shorter, as shown in the measurements here. I then drilled holes at each end of these planks of wood, which would become the slots to fit bamboo canes in. The bamboo canes being the lightweight supports for the netting. Now let's test to see if the bamboo canes are a snug fit in these holes. If they're not, I could always cut them down to size to the right diameter, and failing that, after I've built the base, I could always add a bit of glue to ensure that they're a more secure fit. That's quite good. So now I can see that the bamboo canes fitted snugly. It was time to glue the base together. This stuff I'm using is Beast, and it's for ceramics, metal, stone, wood, glass and most plastics. So don't glue your base on your patio because it will stain your patio. It's very strong stuff and it expands as well. So I can glue it together all in one go and just leave it to dry. Now I just had to cut the bamboo supports to the right height, and then with the bamboo offcuts I could use those for the cross-section supports for the top of the netting.
treacle. That's it. It's like treacle, but don't eat it. There you go. Did actually split this, so you've got to be careful. But that's screwed in though, so I don't need any glue for that.
Here's a quick tip for sealing the glue after you've used it. If you haven't got a good enough top, just screw a screw into the top and then put it in a plastic bag and then wrap a rubber band around it several times, and it should be good to go for the following day. This is what I'm using, Alpine Reach. It does work, because I've used it before. And you get 100 zip ties, which are very good, but I've used those, so I'll be using staples on this one. And the woven mesh size is 1.5 centimetres, which is small enough to stop the birds and the squirrels from getting to your strawberries, but big enough to allow pollinators like bees in to pollinate your strawberry plants. You get a lot of this netting, because it's stretchy as well. And here I'm securing the net to the base with staples, but you could also use the zip ties that come with this net. Need more staples. I'm using these 8mm staples. And this is my staple gun, which I've had for about a year, and it's very reliable. And the great thing about these compact small strawberry cages is they're so easy to lift off your strawberry plants and get to your strawberries. How good is that? And finally, I just trimmed the netting from this strawberry cage, and then I built 2 more strawberry cages, including this larger one at a height of 86 centimetres, which this Alpine Reach netting just managed to cover in one piece. And here are my 3 strawberry cages, which I built over a weekend, and they're definitely cheaper than buying them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, please thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Is put this netting wow, that was a close one.